Are you still not leveraging artificial intelligence in your trading?
I'm here to tell you right now.
This is a huge mistake.
What?
Today we will show you 2 AI-based indicators that generate insane returns and can be used in any market and time frame. It's crucial to watch the video attentively to unveil the indicators' names and our secret settings, which we discovered after hours of backtesting. Lastly, closer to the end of the video, we will unveil hidden tactics to enhance the win rate of this strategy to an impressive 90%, so be sure not to miss it. And remember, great things never come from comfort zones. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, known as quantAlgo. This algo tells you when to buy and when to sell, giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Without further ado,
Let's go.
go to the indicators window, type volume supertrend, and opt for this precise indicator. Before we commence optimizing the settings, let's review this indicator and go over the initial trading rule. This advanced technical indicator employs a blend of traditional supertrend calculation and artificial intelligence techniques, notably the k-nearest neighbors algorithm, to forecast trends in price movements. So, when the supertrend indicator displays a green circle, it signifies an unconfirmed buy signal. Subsequent appearances of green triangles are also interpreted as buy signals, providing an opportunity to enter a long trade. And look at this insane accuracy. We made over 200 pips in a matter of hours. Alternatively, the appearance of a red point, along with red triangles, serves as a sell signal for us. Boom! The price demonstrated a substantial downward movement, resulting in significant profits for us. It's important to note that there is still a possibility of encountering false signals, as illustrated on the chart. Hence, let's fine-tune the indicator settings. So, open the settings menu, change the price trend to 25, and set the factor at 3.1. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. Now, let's address the issue of false signals by adding an insanely powerful artificial intelligence indicator designed to filter out up to 80% of fake signals. This indicator integrates the k-nearest neighbors algorithm with the predictive capability of the tactical sector indicator momentum, harnessing the potential of machine learning to provide traders with a more holistic perspective on momentum. After receiving a buy signal from the supertrend indicator, we look for the momentum oscillator bar to be in green. Conversely, in a bearish scenario, for confirmation of a sell signal generated by the primary indicator, the momentum indicator should exhibit a red bar. And, as evident, we have effectively screened out numerous false signals. Before we continue, we want to share with you our top private indicator, quantAlgo, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access quantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this algo will put you at a disadvantage. So, to include this specific indicator, go to the Indicators tab, search for the Machine Momentum Oscillator, and click on this one. In the next step, open the Inputs tab, decrease the short period to 24, increase the long period to 15, and configure the smoothing period at 10. Currently, to enhance comprehension of all the trading rules, let's examine complete real-time examples. Here's pound yen, a 5-minute time frame. First, we can see that the supertrend line is green and a green triangle appears, giving us a buy signal. Moving on, the momentum bar is colored green as well. We place a stop slightly below the recent low and set the take profit at an RR ratio of 1.5 to 1. Voila, the take profit was hit. Here's Ethereum, a 5-minute time frame. As can be seen, the supertrend line has a red color, accompanied by the emergence of a red triangle, indicating a short entry opportunity. Next, the machine learning momentum oscillators bar has a red color. We set a stop above the latest high and target the same RR ratio. Boom, the price hit our TP level. Now, we will consider very important points that are designed to boost your win rate as high as possible. An important tip is to steer clear of signals coinciding with substantial momentum candles. In this instance, such a signal is observed, leading to subsequent price consolidation and reversal. Moving on, we ignore all signals when the momentum oscillator area is colored orange, as this points to the absence of the price momentum. As can be seen, we have an orange area and the price just moves sideways. Also, It would be wise to avoid signals when the momentum bars are approaching the upper bound in a bull case and the lower bound in a bear case. Finally, we ignore signals when the momentum bars exhibit minimal size. That's all for today. Make sure to check the spreadsheet with the most profitable strategies posted on our main channel.